Hi everyone, welcome to our Facebook page. Here we're going to roll this dough, fold it and put a date. Now we're going to make 4 partitions. Press it using fork and we're going to make the tail of the fish. Similar way, give it shape further. Cut the fins from the side using comb. We're going to press it and create this shape. You can also use a knife or fork for the different elements on the top of it. And look, your fish dough art is ready. First, roll a dough and make this oval shape and fold it from the bottom. Similarly, we are going to cut the ears, dab the eyes using chopsticks, cut it like this, like we're doing here, and look, it's done. Roll this dough and twist it like this, overlap it like we're doing here. Now using chopsticks, we're going to press it at the center and make multiple cut using scissors and give this beautiful shape. After this, we're going to make the beak, put the eyes, cut it using scissor, and look, your beautiful dough art is ready. We are going to put this dark color of dough inside. Now we are going to fold it and roll it, make this oval shape. Cut it from the sides, put the ears of the mouse on the top of it and dab it inside using chopsticks. Similarly, put the eyes as well and look, it's ready. Now we are going to make the cuts from the side using scissors and paste the tail as well on the back, and look, your beautiful mouse dough art is ready. Roll this dough and make a circle using fingers. We are going to press it. We are going to make the big head here, so give it shape using scissors. We are going to cut it and make the nose. So we are going to dab it using chopsticks. Cut the ears from the side and give it shape by pressing it. Similarly, we are going to make the eyes as well, and we are going to create more patterns using knife. Put the tongue and look, it's ready. First, roll the dough and make a circle, fold it from its sides and roll it from the bottom. Now we are going to make the design on the top of it using fork. Similarly, we are going to make multiple cut on the side using scissors. Look how we are doing here in this video. You can also make the eyes by dabbing it using chopsticks or just by putting it like this. Cut the beak and look, it's ready. Roll this dough, make a circle. Now put another dough on the top of it. Dab it like we're doing here. Make the ears, eyes and nose by dabbing it using chopsticks. Put the tail at the back and look, your mini big dough art is ready. We're going to mix 2 different color of dough together. Now roll it like we're doing here, purple and white. Now we're going to cut it from the center. Make 2 such shapes and press it using chopsticks, and look, your beautiful butterfly dough art is ready. Roll this dough and make this oval shape. Using scissors, we are going to cut it from the back and top for the ears and tail. Now we are going to press it using chopsticks for the eyes. Similarly, you can create more designs using knife, or you can also cut it using scissors, and look, your dough art is ready. Thank you so much for watching this video.